RAMP, and Sweet Bran have been intentionally designed to offer the solution to the problem of rumen imbalance and can increase the health and performance of feedlot cattle. Through possibilities of our wet corn milling technology, we understood that we could replace a portion of the grain in a typical diet with a product that substituted a high-energy, high-fiber source with less starch to produce a healthier, heavier animal.
So our product, Sweet Bran and RAMP, help create a balanced rumen. And when I say a balanced rumen, that means that we're going to have greater production of volatile fatty acids, of energy within the rumen, but we're also going to have greater absorption. So our production isn't going to outweigh our absorption like it would in a traditional diet, and that's what's going to cause that real drive down of rumen pH. When we have equal or greater absorption, we can help maintain that rumen pH and help maintain that rumen health over the feeding period. And that helps increase intake over the feeding period. And that increase of intake actually will help promote greater gain.